Look what Daddy brought back for you. Look at that. It's really disturbing. It's a hamster, but not really. What do you think? She's like, I don't get it. Is that funny? What is that? It's a hamster. Well, a fake one. This is a hamster that we don't have to clean.
I see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Well, you look. You see him? Oh, you want to watch the video of him being filmed? Ah. Okay. What do you think? Is that good? You like the hamster? You say you want to kiss this camera? No. No! No, killer baby! Ah! Ah! Oh no.
That's cute.
You're cool. Give Daddy a kiss. Why don't you kiss Daddy? He just got back. Uh-oh. Hamster went to sleep. Oh, and there he goes. Now, would that be my Mother's Day present?